Hello, and welcome to an introduction to natural language processing. My name is Brian. I'm a data scientist, and I will be your instructor for this course. My background is in data analytics, and I have worked as a data scientist for over 5 years. As a consultant, I have worked in the public and private sectors ranging from the U.S. Department of Defense to global financial institutions. Natural language processing is one of my favorite areas of analysis, and I'm excited to bring you this course. This course is ultimately designed to give you the tools you need to work with text and solve any problems you may encounter related to unstructured data. Natural language processing, or NLP, as it's commonly referred to, is a type of data analysis that helps computers interpret natural language the same way as humans. We're able to process text, usually from documents, and through code provide structure to this type of information by identifying patterns, topics, and entities. Natural language is defined as the spoken and written language we use every day. Natural languages are organic, always changing, and very unstructured. This is in contrast to computer or programming languages. Computer languages aim for consistency and are very structured. In this course, we will be using the Python programming language to analyze English text. We will be taking a practical approach rather than focusing heavily on theory. I will include resources along the way if you are interested in learning more about the theory. We will dive deep enough into the methods we are using so that you understand how they work and the proper times to use them. Throughout this course, we will be working with unstructured text, and we will be using different methods to extract value. The best way to learn is by doing, so we will use what we learn in examples and projects. This course contains 4 types of lectures. Overviews will often introduce a topic free of code, much like this lecture. Lessons will introduce the specific topics, usually for the first time, through live coding. Example sections will apply topics we have recently learned to posed questions. If you are up for an extra challenge, these will be good sections to attempt before watching the entire live coding video. At the end of the course, there are larger projects, where we will tackle challenges with our natural language processing skills. We will start by exploring some of NLTK's most useful features. We will then move on to processing unstructured text. We will explore how to tokenize and tag text along with normalization techniques. We will then cover how to work with your own text-based data and explore resources that NLTK provides for even further analysis. Finally, we will dive into some NLP-based projects where we will learn how to tackle common challenges through live coding. I have posted completed notebooks for this course on GitHub, which you are free to access at any time. On my GitHub page, you will find all the completed notebooks. You're free to come in here, check any of them out. You can view them for reference. These will be the completed version of the live coding throughout the course.